In tonight's Next Time Try This segment, I want to talk to you about a little modification you could make to the cable guides that sit on the front of your bike. They sit in a plate like this. They're usually made of steel, but I'm going to show you a little trick that I use, and it's actually correct on a 1975 RM125M. What you're going to do is get yourself some waterline like this. This goes to your refrigerator. It can be bought at any home improvement store. You're going to cut it to length. You're going to put it on those cable guides, and you're going to see exactly how it works. Let's get a closer look with the camera, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing you want to do is measure your cable guide. This way you cut your piece the length you need it. Now the nut is going to go back to the thread. You don't want to get it all the way over to where it gets to the bend. This one happens to be 12 millimeters, I think will do it. So we're going to mark the water line at 12 or get it real close. Use a good sharp X-Acto knife like this. Cut off a piece just like that. Okay. You can then put your piece on just like this. I've already cut another one. You can follow up putting the little nuts on, and that'll protect, of course, the cable from wearing out, but eventually, if you don't put on something like that, the actual guide can wear out too. The cable will run against that metal for a while, and then that can become compromised as well. Now, if you want to put it across the front, maybe on your application of your bike, it might be a little bit different. You could take a piece, cut it to the length that you need across the front. Then you can take your X-Acto knife and slice it down the back. Be very, very careful while you're doing that. Cut it down the back. And then you can work your way over your cable guide. Force it on there. There you go. And it should spin freely just like that. So whether you decide that you want to put it just on the front of the cable guide or you want to do it just on the sides like I've done here, that's a really great way to do it. And don't forget, on your Suzuki RM125s, they did actually come with some nylon bushings like that that went around that cable guide. This is a real nice replacement for that because you can't really find them that easily anymore. Anyway, next time, try that.